Hi, I'm Bryan. Welcome to Ask Bryan Cheong. Today, we're going to discuss about what type of income or expenses is excluded from e-Invoice. If this is your first time to watch my e-Invoice sharing, please watch my previous video before you come to this, because to learn e-Invoice, you need to do it step by step. Let's begin. First, we need to understand under what type of scenario we need to issue e-Invoice. There are two scenarios. The first one will be proof of income. As a taxpayer, whenever a sales or other transaction that happen to recognize as an income, you need to issue e-Invoice. Second, proof of expenses. If you want to recognize an expenses as a taxable expenses, then you need to have the e-Invoice from your supplier. Sometimes you maybe even need to do self-bill e-Invoice. From this slide, we can understand that almost all entity is required to comply with e-Invoice requirement. Whether you are a Sendirian Berhad, a sole prop, LLP, you are just a branch, you need to do e-Invoicing. And there are 6 types of income and expenses that are not required e-Invoice. The first one, employment income, pension, alimony, distributions of dividend in a specific circumstances, zakat, and also scholarship do not require e-Invoice. So far, we have covered all the theory part of e-Invoice. Starting from next video, we're going to talk about more technical part. We will start with the 51 fields that required in an e-Invoice. Thank you for watching. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Thank you.